my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys a wig that I am in love with. It is my first 360 wig and it's my first Cambodian hair wig as well, so check me out, okay? So this hair was sent to me by Dyhair777 and I'm really smiling about it because I am like, let me tell you why I'm excited. I'm wearing the Cambodian body wave. It's 180% density and it is 20 inches and the color is 1B. So the only thing that I did was cut a little bit of the baby hair and that's it. So right when I took it out the package, I immediately co-washed the hair because that's what I do with all of my hair. I just co-washed it and hung it up, and it didn't come out exactly like this, but it came out kind of like with this, of course, a body wave. It was a really light body wave, and then I just took my flat iron and then I just randomly put some little loose curls kind of sort of in it. I didn't want anything like super structured. If you guys have been following me or you know my channel, you know I'm like a messy hair kind of girl. I don't like anything like that. Hair has to be in its place. I love the feel of this hair. Now, so I don't really know my hair type, so I'm not one to teach someone about the difference in hair textures and things like that. I could be wrong. I do feel like this hair kind of feels, it has like a little bit more texture to it and it's more dense. That's the only way I know how to describe it. To me, they always say like Brazilian hair is closer to African American hair, but I don't know. I really like this. I really like this hair and I like the weight of it. As far as the cap, like I said, it is a 360 wig, so I am able to pull this up, which is great for me because I am a mama and it's about to get real hot up in Houston with my son outside and things like that, and I typically am not a long wig wearer, so this is perfect for the summertime. It's just 20 inches. I think I can handle that, plus I can pull it up and it won't look crazy in the back, which is another plus. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. It does come with a good amount of parting space. I think I have like up to here as far as where you can part, so you can, it's definitely some really good free parting in the front to get it exactly how you like it, or really to match your style. And I like to do anything from no part to middle part to side part. It just depends on the day. It does come with, I think, 3 combs. It comes with one in the front and then I think one here, maybe 2 on the sides. I can't remember. I will show you guys everything towards the end of the video so that you'll really see and you'll really get an in-depth view of the wig. No tangling at all, which is amazing. As far as shedding, I am getting a little bit of shedding here and there, but it's not anything that bothers me. In my opinion, shedding's always gonna happen with hair. Your real hair sheds, so I would expect a wig to shed as well, so that never bothers me. I don't know what else to say about that one. The hair is very soft. It's very soft. It holds the curl really well. I put my flat iron on 350 just to put, like I said, a few random curls in it, and I think it took the curl very well. I didn't want anything tight. I wanted to like maintain that body, kind of that wavy look, so this is what I came up with and I like it. The cap, that's what I wanted to say. I have a big head. I have a larger size head, and this wig is so comfortable on me, and that is very hard for me to come by. I typically will get wigs that they're just too small. They're always just too small, or they don't fit my whole head. The sides all be out and stuff, so I have to wear it a certain way. I just have a larger size head. I don't know what else to say. But this one I can definitely wear all day long, and that's huge for me because I can't wear a wig all day, but I can definitely wear this one all day long. The only thing I'm gonna do as well, it's on my mind, is I'm gonna attach an elastic strap to it. Right now I'm not using any combs or anything like that on this wig, but I will get an elastic strap because my son is 2. I don't need him yanking off my wig in public and things like that because he will do it. He's tried before. That's it for this video. I do have a coupon code for you if you love this hair like as much as I do. I will put it down below or somewhere up in here, and I'll also put it down in the description box, as well as all the specs to what I'm wearing too. So y'all about to see me in this wig like in a couple videos from here on out, because something just fell, because I really like it. And I'm not a wig maker, so if I can get a wig that's amazing, that fits my head too, I'm be rocking this like nobody's business. Y'all gonna be like, girl, put something else on. I'm gonna be like, no, I'm not. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever you want to call it, please put them down below. Also, don't forget to like this video and follow me on Instagram. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And yeah, I think that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.